Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will talk about map interface in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now let us see when we can use map interface. So you can use a map when you want to identify values by a key. Alright. Now let us look at some of the map implementations. So first we have the HashMap class. So a HashMap stores the keys in a hash table, and it simply means that we use the hashcode method of the keys to retrieve their values more efficiently. And next we have the TreeMap class. So a TreeMap stores the keys in a sorted tree structure, and the main benefit is that the keys are always in a sorted order. Alright. Now let us see how we can create an object of HashMap class. So first we need to import our HashMap class and map interface from java.util package. Next, in order to create the object of your HashMap, we need to specify the data types of the key and the value. So these are your data types. So the left hand side indicates your key. So this left hand side data type indicates your key, and the right hand side data type represents the data type of your value, right? And in this case, we will be storing the ID and the name of the person, right? So this A1 is your ID and the corresponding value is Gaurav, right? So now let me run the program and we should see all the key value pairs. So I've simply printed this employee object. All right. Now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And here you can see we have all the key value pairs printed. So first we have this A1 and the corresponding value is Gaurav. Similarly, we have B2 and the corresponding value is Ram, and so on. All right. Now let us look at some of the important methods of map interface. So first we have this put method. So put method will add or replace the key value pairs, right? And as you have already seen in the previous output that all the key value pairs were added to this employee object. All right. Next we have the get method. So get method expects a key as an argument. So here we need to pass the key as an argument, and the output will be the value if your key value pair exists, otherwise it will return null. So here in this case we have this B2 as the key and the corresponding value Ram exists. So the output will be Ram. But below on line 19, E5 key does not exist. So it will return null as the output. So let me run the program and let us verify the outputs. Now let us compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And here you can see we have the outputs as Ram and null. Now let us look at the remove method. So your remove method will remove the corresponding key value pair, and the return type of this method is that it will return the value if it is present, otherwise it will return null. And in this case, since B2 has a corresponding value of Ram, so the output should have Ram and the corresponding key value will be deleted, right? So let me run this program and let us verify the output. Now let us compile and execute the program. So here you can see the corresponding value Ram is printed, and on below line the key value pair B2 and Ram is removed from the employee object. All right. Next we have the key set method, and your key set method will give the set of keys, and similar to your arrays you can also iterate over the collections. So using the for loop, what we will do is we'll print all the IDs and the person name from your employee, right? So let me run the program and let us see the output. Now let us compile and execute the program. And here you can see all the IDs and the corresponding person names are printed. All right. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.